Masai Mara. Ruru ni runyanjara ruri ngumo thiini na nja wa bururi na umuthi tucerete runyanjara-ini ruru kaunti-ini ya Narok kuri uthaka na ukengu wa maria maturigiceirie ikiriire. Kirorerwo kia riri na ukengu wa nyamu cia githaka igagutunga na kuguciriria maitho. Umuthi turakora mihango ya gwikira miruthi na hitirori igitongorio ni Minister wa ugendi Najib Balala na maabitha kumenyerera nyamu cia githaka KWS. Muruthi wa mugoma ukarathwo na cindano iri na dawa niguo wirigwo ugakuanirwo na gutwarwo keheri-ini haria ugwikirirwo ruri. Haha uhoro kiumbe wigie muruthi uyu kandikwo ibuku-ini ta uri na magego maigana, ithimi cia thakame, uraihu waguo, muigana wa oxygen mwiri-ini, uraihu wa muting'oe na warie wa ngingo gatagati ka mangi. Maya marika kamucibi gaka kahana mugathi gakaharukio na kuohererio ngingo-ini na thiini wako kari na kamacini ga kuonania kuria muruthi uyu uri mahinda mothe na kuona ni wa mugoma niguo thiaga kaingi na uthiaga na ruru rwaguo mugaru na wa njamba. Muruthi ucokaga ukahakura ngita uyu kuonania guo ni urikiirio na ugacoka ukarekererio.
They have taken us through the collaring of the female lioness, which is here, which we have done here in Mara, and this is how we are going to tag the lioness and know the movements and everything else about the lioness.
Balala uri uruguritie mihango ino augite ni kieha kuona miruthi na hiti iri ugwati-ini wa kuhuka guku bururi-ini.
So far, lions are endangered. We have 2,489 lions in the country, and hyenas are vulnerable. Why are they endangered, these animals? Because of lack of spaces. We are competing with agriculture, we are competing with humans.
Governor Tunai nieranire kwihotha gwa thirikari yake hari kugitira na kugacirithia runyanjara ruru ruria rwandikaga rugano rwa mwanya rwa bururi wa Kenya.
I just want to assure you that on behalf of the county government and the Masai Mara Game Reserve, our core duty is to preserve and conserve this great ecosystem for future generation.
Runyanjara ruru ruri na miruthi 53 handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.